Hi guys, so we're gonna be frying our okra, and this okra is a vegetarian okra. We're not putting any meat or fish or shrimp. It's all vegetarian. So we're gonna be adding some tomatoes, scallions, onions, celery, the regular seasoning. And that's saute up for a little bit. Pardon the music in the background. So our dal boiling. We're gonna be chunking that pretty soon. Adding some peppers. Guys, this pepper is very, very spicy.
Modified pepper.
Yeah.
So I'll add some of our green seasoning.
We're gonna add a little bit of green seasoning to the mixture.
Not too much, just a little bit.
Adding some crushed pepper seeds to the mixture.
Very easy and quick recipe.
Yeah,
Yum, 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 yum.
yeah, yummy, yummy. Some black pepper.
So we're gonna add our okra in here. Frozen okra,
Yeah, we have some frozen okra.
fresh from the garden.
Frozen okra slash fresh from the garden.
So guys, now let me request dal, rice, okra, bhaji, karela, and coke.
And
You want coconut choker too?
Potato choka and coconut choka. But we're tired, so we're not gonna make the coconut choka. We'll make it tomorrow.
Yeah. So we're gonna let this cook here for a little bit here. And it's already looking delicious here. And we're gonna be back in a few.
Alright guys, so here's our finished product, our okra, our vegetarian okra, no shrimp.
Our fish.
Our fish, yeah. We're tired of fish and shrimp and saltfish and smoked fish and all that stuff. And chicken and duck and all that
Yeah.
stuff. So all vegetarian today. See, finished product. And this will be served with dal and rice and potato choka and spinach. We'll show you how we're making the spinach momentarily. Hey guys, so here's our finished product. That's our dal with spinach. Here's our okra. That's our nice, beautifully cooked spinach. And our potato choka. We'll have this all with some rice. We also have roti, but we'll have it with rice. See? Yummy. It's all vegetarian. No meat, fish, or shrimp. Yummy. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video and keeping our company. We appreciate all of your subscriptions, all of your comments, all of your likes. Keep it coming. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.